The billion-dollar SpaceX Starship, NASA's lunar gamble. In a historic collaboration, SpaceX's Starship is set to redefine space exploration. An ambitious $4 billion gamble for NASA and the Moon. This isn't just any vessel, it's the Starship, Elon Musk's most audacious project. The ultimate spacecraft, promising to revolutionize space travel. NASA is betting big on Starship's potential. Its success would mean a new era of lunar exploration, elevating our understanding of the cosmos. But it's not without risks. A trail of failed tests and explosions loom over the Starship, questioning its reliability and safety. Yet, the allure of its possibilities is irresistible. Faster, cheaper missions, the potential for manned Mars expeditions, the promise of interstellar travel. NASA and SpaceX stand at the precipice of potentially rewriting history. Will the gamble pay off, or will it implode like the prototypes? The countdown starts now. The world watches as Starship prepares to take flight, carrying the dreams of humanity into the unknown.